You ready to get started? All right. Let's add our frosting around the sides. Today, we're gonna add jam in the middle. Yeah! Sweet jam. Spread it out evenly. And we're gonna do the same thing on the next layer. Add your frosting. And then add your jam. Spread it in. Make it all nice and even. Add your next layer. Now we're gonna frosting up the sides. You know the drill. Get your spatula and smooth it in. Make sure you don't pick up any of the cake with it. Now we're gonna flatten out some dough because we're gonna start making Tom. Take your paper template and trace around it. Now we're gonna make the gray parts. Again, use your template. It gives you a really good line. Oh, this is gonna be so cute when it's all put together. I can't wait to see it. Add your texture. Oh, don't forget his cute pink little ears. Draw his eyelids. All right, now it's time to cut. Make sure you don't cut your fingers. Super careful. There's gonna be a lot of little pieces, but it's gonna look awesome when it comes together. Oh, now we gotta start gluing it. Now assemble all your pieces. Lots and lots of glue. Make sure you don't have any eyeballs popping off. Get those eyebrows. Aw, look how cute he's looking. Time for his cute little pink ears. It fits perfectly. Yeah! Now we're gonna cut his little whiskers. You can't have a kitty without his whiskers. Add your glue. Stick them on. There you have it. Ready to move on? Now we're gonna start making Jerry. Now for Jerry, we're actually gonna shape him out just a little bit, so watch super careful. If you need to, you can always rewind and watch again. Oh, he's starting to look so cute. Add your glue. And now you can stick on his eyes. And add the second layer. It's gonna add some texture and dimension to his cute little face. He looks kind of silly right now, but just a wait. He's gonna look awesome in a minute. Assemble his mouth together. Aww, sticking his little cute tongue out. Make sure to put some texture on that tongue. Add his little nose. Now we're gonna make his ears. right, now we're gonna make the rest of his little body. We're gonna shape out his little arms and his tiny little legs. Be really careful when you're using your sharp knife. Again, watch the video carefully. Guys, cute little feet. Now we're gonna make the rest of his cute little body. His tummy. Be careful with that sharp knife around your fingers. All right, you're gonna add some glue or a lot of glue. Make sure they don't fall off. Stick them on and hold them for just a second. Now we're gonna assemble them all together. Aw, look how cute he is. He's just missing his ears. Look how awesome that turned out. He's so cute. Oh my goodness. Now plug in his last hand. Ta-da! All right, now we're gonna roll out. And roll it. And roll it. All right, guys, you know the drill. Put it on and smooth it out. Remember, take your time. Work out all those wrinkles. Take your cake irons. Iron it, and then you're gonna cut off all the excess. Get that pizza cutter. Be careful when you remove it. Now we're gonna use our ABC cutters. We're gonna make their cute little names, of course. Now we're gonna add some glue. And then we're gonna take our sharp knife and we're gonna cut around it. So you have a two-tone letter. Be careful and take your time. And more stars. We love stars. All right, now we're going to assemble the final cake. We can't forget the kitty paw. Aw, he's looking so cute. And our mouse. And a cute little mousy tail. Add some glue so the tail doesn't fall off. Now we're gonna make our Swiss cheese. Add some holes in that little cheese wedge. Apply the glue. Stick it right on top. Now we're gonna add our Tom&Jerry. And of course, the awesome little ampersand. Yeah! Now all your cute little stars. Can never have too many stars. Oh, it looks so cute. Yeah!